everyone! Today is Palengke Day, so I am going to be taking my smaller camera, which is the Kogan sports camera, to vlog at the wet market because I don't want to bring my Canon G7X. I also have to go to the post office because a package just came. I don't really know what it is, so we're gonna go check it out. I have my rubber shoes on because I'll be walking and taking the jeep, so I won't be using Uber. I haven't like washed the dishes, pero late na lang pag-uwi ko. Tapos meron akong meeting tonight at 7 PM, so yeah. Finally back, guys. Grabe, I'm so exhausted. I walked a long way, but I'm really happy kasi I saved up on like transportation money. So yan, naglakad ako and nag-jeep and all of that. So I brought a cloth bag with me para lahat ng binili ko na sa loob-loob yan, pati yung mga kinuha ko sa post office. Oh, I also got a package from Nivea. Thank you, Nivea. These are their bath care. I'm so excited to try them out. Water Lily and Oil Shower Gel. We have the Diamond Touch Cream Shower Oil, Pure Fresh Shower Gel, and the Cream Care. So excited! Thank you, Nivea. For my grocery haul today, I have pongkans or oranges. We also have some squash, my favorite. We have some string beans. We have mangoes. Yum! Sobrang tamis. Madami na nagbebenta ng mangoes ng yellow, which I'm so happy about. We have a lot of broccoli. We have pomelo or suha. We have more potatoes. And of course, we have strawberries from Baguio. Yay! Super dami rin nito. Kaya, oh my gosh, yum. So this is what I got from the post office, guys. It's from Silly Bee Intimates, and it is a bra. I'll be doing a review on this for you guys next week, so stay tuned for it. It's my first time reviewing a bra. Bongga. For dinner, I'm having the last of my Mission wraps. Wholemeal wraps, really good. Sobrang sarap niya. I think I'm gonna repurchase this one. Although I'm gonna find like yung mga whole wheat na siguro. It's really good. Then this is also the last serving of my veggie pasta. We're gonna have this for lunch, dinner. Yeah, and this is dinner. Looks really good. The meeting got cancelled, guys. So instead of today, tomorrow na lang, tomorrow night. So wala, I've just been editing the videos lang for a project that I'm working on. Yan, tapos ko na i-edit, and then I have like 2 more videos to edit for that, and then may iba pa akong videos to edit. So tonight is just gonna be like an editing day, editing night. I just want to show you the mangoes that I got. Sobrang tamis niya, grabe. I had to throw out one kasi sobrang asim. As in, sobrang asim, hindi mo siya makakain. Pero yan, trend, matamis din to. So yun, kanina nga sa palengke may nagbebenta ng mangoes. 220 per kilo kasi yung mangoes niya sobrang laki talaga, kasi sobrang laki. Now cooking tomorrow's meal, guys. I have here string beans and some potatoes, so we're just gonna stir fry it. Yun lang. So as usual, we will fry it over bawang and sibuyas, so that's gonna be for tomorrow. Medyo madami-dami rin to. Bongga. I added in some water para maging tender yung veggies natin. So we're just gonna put this lid. I have it on timer. Hindi ko alam paano gumana yun. 11 minutes na lang, pero yan, 15. Tapos iwan lang siya. Alright. It's gonna turn off automatically after 15 minutes. It's done, guys. So, very simple lang. Nilagyan ko na ng tubig para mas lumambot siya. So, this is going to be my meal for tomorrow. Yan, potatoes and string beans. Let's wash these strawberries. Gusto ko silang tikman. Straight from Baguio. Madami siya sa, madami sa palengke ng Quiapo. This 1 pack cost 50 pesos. Mahal, no? Now, going to enjoy my strawberries. Nam. Sobrang tamis, guys. Ang sarap. Sayang wala akong Nutella. Dip sa chocolate. Tapos, Loading another movie, guys. We have Jupiter Ascending. Yay. Another movie night. The strawberries were so good that I scarfed it down like in less than 5 minutes. Sobrang sarap niya. I actually want to eat na yung isa pang pack, pero I don't wanna use it. Or I don't wanna eat it muna. For tomorrow na lang yun, sayang naman. So that's the end of my night. I have to wash the dishes. I have like a bunch of dishes there. And then I have to edit this vlog. And then tomorrow, I'll see you guys. We're gonna see Joyce tomorrow. I'm so happy. We're gonna go together to the meeting. Tapos yun. That's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!